Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the updated way to keep blocked and muted accounts visible in search results on the X app. If you've noticed that certain accounts aren't showing up when you search, it might be because of a setting that automatically hides them. Let's go step by step and turn that setting off. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make this change. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control most of your account and content preferences. Once you're inside, tap on Privacy and Safety. This section manages how your activity and content are handled across the platform. Now, go ahead and choose Content You See. This area controls what appears in your feed and your search results. Inside Content You See, tap Search Settings. This is where the crucial option we need can be found. You'll notice a toggle labeled Remove Blocked and Muted Accounts. If this is turned on, X will automatically hide any accounts you've blocked or muted from your search results. To keep seeing them in searches, simply toggle this option off. That's it now blocked, and muted accounts will still appear in your searches. This setting can be useful if you want a complete and unfiltered search view, even for accounts you don't interact with directly. Just remember, changing this setting doesn't unblock or unmute anyone. It simply allows their profiles, posts, or mentions to show up when you use the search bar. You're still in control of your interactions with them, and that's how you adjust your search settings on the X app to include blocked and muted accounts. Now you can search with all results visible without missing out on anything hidden by default. If you found this helpful, try exploring other privacy and content settings in the app. There might be more options that can tailor your experience exactly the way you like it.